Hello, my name is Zach Evans. Welcome to an overview of the version 9 update of the Aastra BusinessPhone Unified Communication Solution. The most notable advancement on the platform is the addition of SIP support. With the BusinessPhone product line, Aastra offers small and medium-sized businesses a communications tool which is outstanding, particularly due to its adaptability and versatility. BusinessPhone effectively addresses the requirements of today's SME organization, featuring a function-rich and mature PBX core to cater to your basic telephony requirements, contact center capabilities with CCA, CCS, and now unified messaging and presence management with the use of Aastra Backstage Platinum, providing Outlook integration, buddy lists, message handling, and CTI. And of course mobility, from TDM-based DECT or cordless to fully featured fixed mobile convergence, ensuring that your mobile workforce remain easily reachable and retain the functionality available on their desk phone. Let's begin with a quick overview of SIP, UC, and FMC. What is SIP? SIP stands for Session Initiation Protocol, which is a signaling protocol used for the initiation and control of communication sessions such as voice and video over IP networks. SIP is open standards based and allows for ease of integration between systems and sites utilizing the protocol, even between those running multiple vendor solutions. This goes a long way to reduce total cost of ownership, allowing you to connect and integrate multiple branch sites or third parties regardless of the SIP-enabled PBX each site has installed. What is Unified Communications? UC is all about you, the user, at the center of the solution. UC provides you with a variety of means to communicate or to be reached based on your needs and your activities. You have the freedom to work wherever you are with most any device and still have access to the full range of tools to do your job in the best way possible. You should not be forced into working a certain way simply because the technology you have does not offer you the right tools to do otherwise. UC is efficient communication, making you more effective and productive in today's competitive environment. What is fixed mobile convergence? FMC brings together the best aspects, features, and functions of fixed and mobile communication technologies, creating a highly versatile and efficient working environment that is crucial to the success of today's mobile workforce. Let's review an example of how a call is routed using FMC. Nicole needs to check stock availability at a supplier, so she calls her account manager David by dialing his office number from her mobile phone. The call is routed over mobile network and PSTN and is registered as an incoming call on the PBX at David's office. Through parallel ringing, both David's desk and mobile phones receive the call. David answers on his mobile phone as he is currently out of the country on a business trip. Nicole states her request, after which David transfers her to Kim, who is based in the office, simply by dialing her extension on his mobile phone as he would have sitting at his desk. Kim is then able to fulfill the request and supply the relevant information to Nicole, who is totally unaware that David was off-site. So the customer's query was attended to without the need to first try multiple telephone numbers and wade through voicemail boxes before finding what they needed. Next, we'll take a look at currently supported terminals and telephone. Here we have the Aastra Dialog 4000 series of analog telephones, each model specifically developed to take on different user needs. The 4106 is a classic telephone for basic demands and is ideal device for use in office visitor or service areas. The 4147 is a versatile telephone designed to easily adapt to different user demands, be they office or hotel related. The device's function keys can be locked to prevent unwanted user changes and used for speed dialing or service requests. This model also offers an extra line interface or data port for easy connection to a PC or fax. The 4187 is the most advanced telephone in the Dialog 4000 analog range, incorporating features designed to make communications as effective as possible. The alphanumeric LCD display can be easily tilted to show date, duration of call, as well as the last dialed number and internal phone book. The 4187 features 20 programmable functions, that is 10 keys with 2 functions each, all of which can be locked to prevent unwanted user change. The 4187 also features hands-free speaking function and integrated headset support. The Dialog 4000 digital series consists of 4 terminals and 1 operator console. The 4220 is the compact, cost-effective model that meets all basic communication requirements and is aimed at users who want traditional voice functions with superior digital voice quality. It is also a robust convenience phone for visitor or service areas. The 4222 is a user-friendly desktop telephone with all the features you need for general office use. The terminal features a flexible, graphical 2-line display, hands-free, and can be equipped with 1 key panel unit. The 4223 is a multi-featured professional model supporting advanced system functions. It is ideal for use in secretarial supervision, configurations, and key systems. It features a flexible 3-line graphical display and can be equipped with up to 4 key panel units. The 4225 is a high-end telephone supporting advanced system functions and includes a menu-guided display. It is ideal for very demanding and executive-level office use. The 5-line graphical display can be tilted to different angles and supports 3 font styles and graphical icons, with 3 navigational keys and 4 additional soft keys providing the user with an easy-to-use interface for accessing different user or system features. The soft keys change their function dynamically depending on the telephone status. The full duplex hands-free mode with acoustic echo cancellation works well for conference calls in smaller meeting rooms. The 4224 is specifically designed for the needs of operators, providing full switchboard access and functionality and supporting advanced system functions required for operator configurations. The most frequently used keys have been enlarged and positioned with a comfortable space between them to grant fast and secure operation. The operator model supports up to 4 key panel units to allow for the monitoring of a large number of extensions. There are 3 models in the Dialog 4000 IP terminals range. The 4420 is an entry-level phone for non-communication intensive areas. It features 12 function keys with LEDs, 7 programmable keys, a 2-port Ethernet switch, an integrated web server, and power over Ethernet. The 4422 is a mid-range office phone ideal for workers in a high-paced business environment. It supports all the features of the 4420 as well as a graphical 2-line display, 13 function keys, a call list stored locally on the phone containing the last 50 incoming and outgoing calls, and click-to-dial capability. The integrated web tool offers ease of maintenance through the web browser of the user's PC. This model supports the addition of 1 key panel unit. The 4425 is a high-end office phone supporting advanced features and is designed for user flexibility and ease of use. The 4425 further enhances on the 4422 with a graphical 6-line backlit display, 3 navigation keys, 4 soft keys, and 20 function keys, 10 to 19 of which are individually programmable. Up to 4 extra key panel units are supported by this device, as well as a built-in web browser. Aastra decked or cordless terminals are ideal for warehousing, retail, or simply for users who are mobile within the office environment. The DT690 and DT390 have a modern design, and the color display represents an intuitive menu that is easy to read and understand. The keys are conveniently positioned and the phone book can be accessed by a single button press. The 390 is a basic office model that is effective and functional. It has a large illuminated grayscale display, a standard headset connector, virtual SIM, vibrating alert, and a hands-free function. The 690 caters to a more demanding office user. It sports a color display, Bluetooth support on the DT690BT, phone book for 1000 downloadable entries, a local phone book with 250 user entries, and is able to send and receive messages. Note that the Aastra deck terminals are GAP and CAP compliant. Now let's look at what's new in BusinessPhone version 9. There is new hardware in the form of a SIP-U extension board, enabling compatibility with the Aastra SIP series of phones, SIP decked, new 7000 series terminals, Aastra 442X series IP phones in SIP mode, and a new version of the Aastra collaborative solution, Backstage. The SIP-U board opens up the BusinessPhone communication system by introducing SIP support. The first round grants SIP extension support, with SIP trunking to be introduced in a later release. The board supports 32 media channels, which is an excellent channel-to-board ratio for systems of this size. The previous IP board only supported 16 channels. You can have up to 128 SIP phones per board, with a maximum of 2 boards per system. The BP SIP-U board now allows for the Aastra 6700 series of SIP phones to be utilized on the system, further enhancing an already comprehensive phone offering. These phones are equipped with XML browser capabilities, allowing for the creation of service applications using development guides available from Aastra. This feature provides unlimited potential to customize the 6700 to meet your specific business needs or vertical applications. From initial deployment and configuration to future enhancements and upgrades, the Aastra family of SIP phones are designed to save your business time and money. Dual auto-sensing switched Ethernet ports are available on the 31i and upwards, eliminate the need for additional wiring and simplify installations. Integrated power over Ethernet on all models except the 30i allows for easy deployment with centralized powering and backup. Easily created configuration files using any text editor can be used to configure phones individually or centrally. The 30i and 31i entry-level phones have a 3-line display and 8 soft keys. The 53i includes 4 programmable keys and is compatible with up to 3 Aastra 536M expansion modules. The 55i further enhances the 53i with a larger LCD screen and 12 soft keys. And the 57i advances the 55i with 11-line graphical display. At the top of the list we have the 39i Executive model with a 5.7-inch full VGA color touchscreen display and intuitive graphical user interface and navigation menus. The device offers integrated Gigabit Ethernet and Bluetooth headset support. The interface allows for up to 55 programmable soft keys, picture ID support, as well as full on-screen QWERTY keyboard. All Aastra SIP phones offer full duplex speakerphone with excellent voice clarity and delivery. With years of experience in the telecommunications and telephone design, Aastra can ensure superior voice quality on every product we sell. The higher-end models of the Aastra SIP phone range support up to 3 expansion modules per phone, giving up to 180 additional configurable keys. Aastra SIP DECT is a multi-cell IP-based DECT infrastructure. No additional infrastructure required outside of the RFPs and LAN connectivity. This solution supports excellent voice quality, encryption, seamless handover, and download over air functionality. DECT is a strong alternative to Wi-Fi, where Wi-Fi voice quality is dependent on bandwidth. DECT is not. One business phone system can hold up to 256 RFPs or base stations and up to 512 DECT terminals. The system supports handover and roaming between base stations. Each base station has 12 channels for communication, utilizing 8 for direct call and 4 for roaming or handover requirements. The 600 series of DECT terminals range from a low-end office version with basic features to the business version with color TFT display and a robust industrial version. The 610D has a scratch-resistant display, drop resistance from 1.5 meters, illuminated keypad, and 4 programmable soft keys. It has an integrated ambient noise filter, and its phone book supports up to 200 entries. The 620D and 630D have 2-inch color displays, 8 programmable soft keys, and include firmware over air download. Also included are built-in tremblers, Bluetooth interface, and micro SD support. A man-down alarm is available on the 630D. Radio fixed parts, or the RFP32 IP and RFP34 IP, are connected directly to the LAN and use the benefits of established DECT technology. Sync occurs via DECT radio interface. PoE support is also present. The L32 and L34 support 8 simultaneous voice channels per DECT base station. They are jitter compensation capable, support echo suppression, and generate comfort noise. The L34 is for outdoor use, utilizing specifically suited dipole or beam antennas. We have also introduced a new series of IP terminals. The Aastra 7400 series allows for the merging of Microsoft Outlook contacts with personal contacts on the phone. Specific models support acoustic echo cancellation, dynamic jitter buffer, and is equipped with hearing aid support and acoustic shock prevention. The 7433 IP is an entry-level business IP phone with a 3-line display and power over Ethernet support. The 7434 IP is a flexible office version with 8 programmable keys, electronic hook switch, PoE, and user mobility or free seating support. The 7400 series is expandable through either traditional or digital extension modules. Up to 2 digital units or up to 3 key panel units can be connected to one terminal. The Aastra 442X terminals have inherent SIP mode functionality, boosting to a 3-line display versus 1-line display in H323 mode. The Aastra BusinessPhone collaborative solution Backstage Platinum facilitates the integration of applications into the communication system, including Microsoft Outlook, Excel, Word, and Access. This can generate effective communication processes like data integration. At the same time, Backstage Platinum offers many functions which improve communication and coordination processing between colleagues, customers, and partners. For example, contact information can be installed in the communication profiles with a single mouse click. Presence information is equally easy to check. Backstage now supports the SIP protocol with continued support for street maps, instant messaging, and power dialing. The SIP-enabled Backstage softphone boasts acoustic echo cancellation, voice activity detection, comfort noise generator, and automatic gain control. Thank you very much for your time. Please contact us if you require any additional information relating to our products and services, or visit our website at www.astrasa.co.za.